Welcome back. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but have been doing a little bit here and there. A lot of clutter right now. But, we've got our stove. I've got the radio, but don't want to have it on for the video. It makes editing interesting because of YouTube's rules. Built some counters. Still have to face them and put countertops on. We got live outlets. Started doing some plumbing. And a lot of clutter. But, we're going over the top. And there will be a washer here. And there's our tankless water heater. But, coming along slowly. Figured I'd do an update video and kind of show where we're at. Progress will start picking up here. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already.